Now do the ABC, okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, Q, R, Q, R,
Okay, show me the apple. Okay, oh, this is letter O. Okay, continue the ABC.
A, B, C, D, Q, R, Q, R, O, Q, R, Q.
Very good. Yes.
Q, R, Q, R, A, B, C, D, Q, R,
Okay, very good. Now I will ask you, where is the B? B. That's B, as in letter B. That's letter B.
B.
Now, where is the queen? That's right. That's letter Q. Q. Yeah, it's queen, right? Queen. Q. Yes. Okay, let's... How about the yo-yo? Yo-yo. Yo-yo. The yo-yo has the star painted on it. The yo-yo has a star. Find the star. No, that's an octopus. Okay, the yo-yo. Oh, find there. Where is the star? Can you see a star? Here, this is star, right? That's yo-yo. You forgot. My goodness. Okay, let's move on to the turtle. That's right. Turtle. Letter T. T.
A, B, C, D, Q, R.
What is the letter Q? Q. 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 Where is? Queen. Queen. Q. Queen. That's right. Very good. You're ready to go to school.
I'm going Green Castle.
Yup. Okay, where's the volcano? Let's see if you can... Oh, that's right. Volcano as in letter V. V for volcano. Wow. You're very good, Noah. How about... Yes, that's yo-yo. Yup. Yes, how about the jellyfish? Wow, J, as in jellyfish. Yeah, that's jellyfish too. How many jellyfish can you see? How many? Okay?
How many?
Yeah, how many jellyfish? Oh, here. One. There. One. Here. Two. 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 jellyfish. Now, okay, you count. This is the numbers. So that's the numbers, right? Now you count. Start from... Yup.
Big one.
Okay. Okay, I'll buy you black shoes. New bag. Backpack, right?
Huh?
What do you want? Oh, Elsa backpack? Okay, no problem. Okay, now we need to finish the video so that we can send it to your teacher, okay? And she will accept you. Yes, you will get many friends there in school. Okay, let's start to count.